Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like I look a little crazy right now, but in a second I'm not. I'm finna dye my natural hair burgundy, and I'm not using any bleach or like hair dye, nothing like that. Y'all see my bangs now? How long my bangs is. If I was to ever get a sew in, my leave out would be way down here. That's the longest I've ever seen my leave out be, like ever. But yeah, I'm gonna dye it burgundy. Well, I'm gonna attempt to dye it burgundy. Let's hope it doesn't come out too light, because my hair looks dark but it's really like a natural brown. So let's hope it doesn't come out like too light. I hope so. Let me check the back, and let's hope it doesn't fall out, which I doubt my hair will fall out. Yeah, it's not too bad. I can't wait to come back to get my hair straightened and get my ends clipped and all that other good stuff. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. I'm actually gonna go in the bathroom and show y'all like the whole process or whatever. My hair is like pretty thick. It was so hard to comb it out just now because I had it in 2 braids from work. So yeah, that's what this video will be about after this little intro, because I talk way too much. So yeah, we're gonna go in my bathroom. I'm gonna sit y'all up on my rack, and then we're gonna start the whole partying and dyeing process. So the colors I'm going to be using today are by L'Oreal, the High Color. I'm going to be using the Red Hot, and I'm also going to be using red, and then I'm going to take a little bit of crimson to darken the color a little bit, and then I'm going to use a 30 volume developer. So I'm going to mix these together, and then once I come back on camera, I'll have the Vaseline on my hairline and on my face so the dye doesn't stain my face, and then we'll start dyeing the hair. This part will most likely be a voiceover. My hair has gotten so long, like this is crazy, but I'm gonna see y'all. Y'all, this is my hair afterwards. I feel like I like it like this, like it's military approved. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get some alcohol for my roots, but it's really not that bad in person. It just looked like this on camera, but I promise you it's not that bad in person. So I'm finna get in the shower. My hair is like really shrunken right now. This is like deep conditioner in it, so I don't think it ruined my curls like at all. This deep conditioner in my head though. So I'm finna get in the shower, rinse this out, and then I come back on camera when I'm finished. Y'all, it did not ruin my curls. So I'm about to get ready to put my hair into like a bun or something for tomorrow, because we have like the going away ceremony. And then I'm gonna hit y'all back when I got in the bun. Y'all, this is the final bun.
Where's Judy? Judy's not coming.
Oh, wait, sorry.
He's not gonna be in our lives anymore. Isn't she like your best friend?
Yeah, I think it came out pretty nice. I might have to get some alcohol, rub it through my scalp to get some of that bright red out of it. And I'm gonna go tie down my hair. I just wanted to come on camera to show y'all the finished look. Of course, over here you can't really, hold on, get in the sunlight.
It's beautiful. What did it mean? That's just by
Something.
losing someone we love. We still praise God.
Yeah, this is it. Sorry, I had to take a shower and wash my hair at the same time. So hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial and whatever this is. I haven't dyed my hair in so long, and I'm finna go tie my hair down and just lay down and relax for the rest of the day. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.